The HETEKAN 90mm telescope is designed with a large aperture of 90 millimeters and a focal length of 1000 millimeters, ensuring bright and high-contrast images suitable for both astronomy and terrestrial viewing. With a versatile magnification range between 40 times and 500 times, it offers 3 eyepieces and a 3 times Barlow lens for both wide-field exploration and detailed close-up observations. This telescope includes dual phone mount options, allowing users to capture and share their stargazing experiences effortlessly. Its sturdy and adjustable alt-azimuth tripod made from stainless steel provides stable support on various surfaces and allows smooth horizontal and vertical movement for easy target tracking. The lightweight design and included carrying bag make it highly portable, ideal for backyard viewing or outdoor adventures, with a quick setup time of under 10 minutes. Clear step-by-step instructions ensure that even beginners can start their stargazing journey smoothly and enjoyably.